Let's get that brine ready. Let's get that brine ready. We're going to use this tool to actually help tenderize our meat, even though it's already lean. I don't know why I do this. Do y'all do this? You ain't got to do it a lot. Just a little bit. To me, it does help when I'm getting ready to add in my glaze. Because see, when you put those little holes in it, all that good stuff just gets all down in there, baby. Yes. That's what you want now. That's what you want. Okay. Look like that. See those holes? Right in there? Yes. Okay. So, in this pan, I have my own lemon thyme. Yes, this is lemon thyme. I grew it. I'm going to go ahead and add in, not the meat yet, but this actually is 4 garlic cloves. Add that in there. We're going to add in just a little bit of smoked paprika, about a half a teaspoon. I told y'all, I don't really be measuring. That's like my thing. My people don't really measure. We just know what to do. We have bay leaves. We're going to use 3. And I break them up for flavor. I think that's better. Okay. Next on the list is fennel. We're going to add about a teaspoon of fennel. And I like to use organic stuff, y'all. It's just a lot cleaner to me. We are going to use some organic black pepper whole. And they look like this. About 3 teaspoons. It's already smelling good and aromatic. You know what I'm trying to say. Use about a teaspoon. Salt, kosher salt. Morton's. We're going to use us some rosemary, child. Yes, we love rosemary. About 2 teaspoons. We are going to add in some honey. Yes, organic wildflower honey. About 2 teaspoons. A little more. We are going to add in just 2 teaspoons of the orange flavor like you never tasted before. I'm just telling y'all, just try it. Try it. That's about it. That's all you need. Then we have 4 cups of water in here. That's the brine. Now, I'm just going to take my little whisk and stir it up because you know that honey is kind of thick. Now, I'm going to actually add the meat in now. And I'm going to leave it in this brine for 2 hours. In the refrigerator, of course. Okay, guys. Be back with you in a minute. It's about to be going on and popping over here. Okay, guys. Peace.